The mullet out, the undercut out, the overly manicured fades out. That bowl cut thing, leave that in 2024. Today we're talking about the top men's hairstyles of 2025. The one thing that stays the same is that everything changes, and that stays true even in the hairstyle realm. So today, I'm going to share with you what I've seen to be the top hairstyles for men so far in 2025, as well as maybe a couple predictions. It's super early, but I'm going to tell you what I think are going to be some sleeper hairstyles that'll make their entrance again in 2025. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Number 1, the wolf cut, a hairstyle that's been making waves and is set to dominate in 2025. This cut combines the best elements of a shag and a mullet, featuring choppy layers that create an effortlessly cool vibe. The wolf cut is all about volume and texture, making it perfect for those who want to stand out while keeping things stylishly casual. To achieve this look, you'll want to have medium to long hair, ideally with at least 6 inches on top to allow for those dramatic layers. The key is to embrace your natural texture. Whether your hair is straight, wavy, or curly, this cut can be tailored to enhance what you've got. For styling, use a texturizing spray or sea salt spray to define those layers and add movement. The result, a bold yet relaxed hairstyle that screams confidence. Number 2, the messy fringe. Moving on, this next hairstyle targets a younger demographic, maybe teens to early 20s guys. I've seen this all over the place lately. This is a very laid-back, youthful hairstyle where you have longer hair in the front, maybe a tiny bit shorter on the sides and back, falling into your face and covering your forehead a bit. You're definitely going to need at least 4 to 5 inches on top of your head, and at least 2 to 3 on the sides. You can style the flow hairstyle using a light hold product like a paste or sea salt spray, kind of like the previous hairstyle, because you don't need anything very stiff for this look. Number 3 is none other than the flow. The flow was pretty popular in 2024 and has been a staple for many years. It's just a good look, and I think it's definitely going to be prevalent in 2025 as well. To have the flow, you need medium to long hair, at least 5 or 6 inches on top, at least 4 inches on the sides, and at least like 3 inches in the back, because you need to be able to add texture and achieve that flowy cascading look. If it's too short, it's going to look choppy and more matte and solid with less texture. You can style the flow hairstyle using a light hold product like a clay or sea salt spray. Number 4, the classic side part. Next up is something more mature and sophisticated. This is my go-to hairstyle. I've been rocking it for years upon years. It's timeless in my opinion, and I don't think it's ever going out of style. You need probably 4 to 5 inches on top and at least 3 inches on the side. I prefer keeping the back nice and trimmed for that squared off look. Simply blow dry your hair after showering and then use a medium to high hold product. Something like a clay or texture clay works really well for achieving it. And then just style it with your hands. Number 5, the French crop. For those shorter hair guys out there who may not have much hair to begin with, this hairstyle is perfect for people with thin hair or have hairline issues. It's super low maintenance. All you need is about 1 inch on top. You can have however much you want on the sides, but it looks great with a fade on the side, whether it's a taper or low or mid fade. I think it looks best with a low fade in my personal opinion. To achieve it, use something like a medium hold product after your hair is dry. It should take less than like 10 seconds. Number 6, the slick back. Yes, we're bringing it back. This style has those 50s biker vibes. I don't know if it's going to be high shine with pomade or just more relaxed slick back styles, but I'm starting to see it pop up again and I'm digging it. For styling, you can use something like a pomade for this strong hold and high shine hairstyle. I think we're going to see more of this in 2025. Number 7, the buzz cut. Now we come to one of my personal favorites. The buzz cut is timeless, super low maintenance, but it only looks good on maybe about 10% of guys who can pull it off. To rock a buzz cut successfully, you need one of 2 things, either really prominent facial features like prominent cheekbones, jawline, hollow cheeks, or you need fierce eyes or thick eyebrows You just need some of these features coming together, because when you get rid of the hair, all focus falls onto your face. If you have unremarkable features like round chubby cheeks or insignificant eyes, it just might not work out for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.